Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one.
Hey pretty babes, I'm back with another video, and today we are doing a wig install. Guys, I'm trying to get better at not talking too much, so yeah. Anyways, if you are new to my channel, hello, I'm Kaela. I do motherhood, lifestyle, vlogs, beauty, hair, anything, really I do. And I don't particularly have like a certain niche, but if you like these kind of videos, go ahead and stick around, like, comment, and subscribe. And if you like my vibe but not particularly this video and you want to see me do another video, go ahead and comment that down below and I will do a different video. Anyways, today guys, we are going to be installing this beautiful wig. I can't remember where I got it from because I've had it for a little while. Yes, she's a little ran through, but that's because my son got a hold of her. But she's still cute and popping, and yeah, you already know she cute. So anyways, we're going to install her, and I've already installed her one time, but I did not do it right. My head hurt. It was just a big mess. So before we get into it, I have two products that I'm going to be using. Hold on. And I forgot. I have this little comb. It is like the greatest little thing. But anyways, I don't know. I'm a person that takes off my wigs. I don't keep them on for days because I don't like how they feel. I don't know if that's just me or if that's everybody. You know, I don't know. Maybe I haven't done it right yet. Anyways, I have these two glues, but I'm going to be using this one. And this one is Wonderlace Wonderlace Bond. And it is latex free, waterproof, and sweat resistant. This one is Bold Hold for oily skin. Now this was like almost $30, I think. I bought this in a long time. So I'm not 100% sure. But this one right here, I think it was like 25, 30, somewhere in there, right? Because that's all the glue they had. Now this one right here was $9, $10, something like that. Best glue I've ever tried. Oh yeah, it's $9. Yeah, $9.99 plus tax. Best glue I've ever tried for a wig. That, it was stuck. When I tell you I like to take my wigs off at night, yes, I put glue on them so they don't fall off, and I take them off at night. Y'all see this scar? It ripped my skin, but I will gladly do it again. Anyways guys, and then I don't have my wig cap, don't know where it's at, couldn't find it. I searched for 30 minutes and I was like, you know what, forget it, it's fine. So I'm going to be using the Got To Be glue on my hair to like slick it back and pull it back so that I can install this wig. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into that video. Alright guys, and do not, my mama used my brush, so all her blonde hair is in here. But do not be talking about this brush. I only use this brush for like certain occasions. And it's, y'all see how thick my hair is. It be taking out my brush. But I mean, if y'all want to get me a brush, drop it down below. Also guys, so y'all see me saying ow, my hair was not hurting. It was my finger. Guys, my finger is like messed up. I was not flipping off, but look, it is so swollen. Like, I need to wash and straighten my hair again. But yeah, so anyways, what I'm gonna do is take the Got To Be glued spray. This is the blasting free spray. I'm gonna take it all the way around my hair, and so I can lay this all back. No braid method. No wig cap method. And yes, I need this to be pulled back. I have another video that I'm going to be doing. Yeah. Guys, I hope y'all can see like my whole... I'm not worried about the stuff on the bed per se, because most of this is like my hair stuff, but I just hope y'all can like see my whole head. My whole head. Okay, anyways. Now I'm going to twist my hair like this a little bit upwards so that it's still flat against my head. I hope it stays, because sometimes it won't stay. But I'm not really worried about that. Okay. And then it's just like a little ball. It's not too heavy or anything like that. And since I don't have, this is how I would really like it to be, but I don't have another ponytail. Oh, wait. Okay, it's whatever. It's good. Okay. So, I'm not going to do any weave out because, you know, it's a full wig. But I'm going to go ahead and take my glue and just put it on like this right here. And my lashes, these are my personal lashes, not for my business, guys. Am I supposed to shake this up? Maybe I should have. And guys, I don't have like let me check it out. Oh, I did that kind of low, guys. But never worry. What I don't glue down, I surely will be wiping it off. Okay. This is probably like the fastest wig install that I've ever done. Probably because I didn't do all the steps that needed to be done. And I don't don't know about y'all, but I gotta take this off. I don't know if this is to make it smaller or what. But this thing, like, this little piece is literally the worst for me. I think it's because I have a big head. I don't know, guys. I really don't know much about wigs. Look at the bundles. There it is. That's literally what it is. It's just a bundle. Okay. Anyways, guys. Y'all see what I be talking about? Guys, y'all don't come for me in the comments, please. If y'all have any tips or anything that will help me, comment down below. Because by no means am I a professional. I just wanted to make a cute little video, you know. Oh, I had got it like a little fixed up. So with like the little extra glue that's on your face, because look, as y'all can see, there's like a little glue right here. So all you're gonna do, or this is at least what I do, because I don't have like glue remover, and I know it's not laid all the way down, like I said, because I don't want it laid all the way down. But so what you're gonna do is just, you know, get like this much, I guess, and then put it like right where the glue is. Guys, and if y'all keep seeing me look back, and that's because I have like a little mirror back there. I had to walk off camera to do this because, baby, it was so frustrating. But that's what you're gonna do. Just put it like right where the glue's at. And I just took a napkin. God, this is like super beginner, super easy. If you're wanting to get into wigs, I don't know how to do like advanced. Eventually, hopefully that I can, guys. But yeah, so that's all I did, and y'all can still see the lace. Like, I'm by no means am I the best person to put a wig on, but guys, I do have this blanket because I'm freezing. Anyways, so out of this wig, how it looks with this outfit, or like with this shirt, because I just have my blue jeans and Crocs on, but with this I would give it like a solid 8 out of 10, and minimum to no shedding. Look, minimum to no shedding, like nothing. It's super easy to like comb out and like, you know, just style. And with this, you can do it in different styles. This is synthetic. It's like, it's human and synthetic. It's not full human, but yeah. And then so once I'm done, like before I go out, I always spray like a little bit of shine on. And guys, actually, because I wore this one time out, I don't think if I took any pictures. I'll have to like see if I took any pictures, but my head was killing me so bad throughout the night. I think it's because I didn't undo the strap and like I have a lot of hair, but right now it feels so comfortable. It doesn't even feel like the night that I wore it out or anything. So guys, if y'all have a big old head like me, make sure y'all undo the back. But anyways, guys, let me show y'all the back or the side. Yeah, like it moves. It's not stiff or nothing. Yeah. Anyways, guys, thank y'all so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on the post notification bell on so you never miss a video by me. And if y'all want to leave me any tips down below, make sure y'all do, because everything is appreciated. Everything, I love everything, and I read everybody's comments. And I normally reply to everybody's comments. But yeah, so if there's any video ideas that y'all want to see me do, or any videos that y'all want to see, just comment them down below, and I'll make sure that I either can get to them, do them, or purchase stuff to do the video. Alright guys, thank you so much. Bye.